Hello Silver Surfers, welcome back. We are getting ready to start part 2 of word processing. So let's get to it. This was our Word document that we were working on. Just want to recap a few other things. You can bold things, italic things, underline things. That's what these little things do. But there was a whole other set of tools that we hadn't actually gotten to yet. So right here, see how this is kind of tabbed like a folder? So these are called tabs. So you've got all these different kinds of tabs that do all sorts of different things. And as you can see, there's a lot to go through. And you probably won't use most of this. Unless, of course, and you won't have EndNote. Unless, of course, you are working on some kind of paper. Because you're going back to school, which you could be, then you probably don't need to have references a whole lot for what you're writing. But hey, if you are, this is a handy tool for you. Alright, so let's go back to this, and I wanted to show you a few other things you could do with a Word doc. For example, you could put in a table. This is a table kind of like an Excel spreadsheet, which you may or may not know, but as you can see, as I'm doing this, boxes are popping up on the side. And so you can make them big or make many and play with them that way. If you just click on that, voila, there you go, a table. Now if you wanted to type something in here like this is Monday and this is Tuesday, notice how it's trying to help me? You can do that. See, now it's saying just press enter. Alright, there you go. And there you have it. It's doing that work for you. Don't you just love this? Yeah. Oops. You're going to use your down arrows, not your return, by the way, to get in these different cells. Helps if you know how to spell Friday. Alright. So you can do stuff like this. Maybe you want to make a list of things to do every day. Every Monday you want to wash the car. And maybe every Tuesday you want to do the laundry. Maybe every Wednesday you go shopping at Trader Joe's. That kind of stuff. Alright? Now, to get rid of this table, well, maybe I should show you a few things. Like you can make this bigger, or smaller, I mean. You make this bigger if you wanted to. There's really no need. But you can play around with these cells. You can make the whole thing wider. You can make the whole thing longer. You just want to make sure. You see how I was doing that? I'm playing right here. And I'm just clicking and dragging and clicking and dragging. Basically, that's how you make a table. Maybe you want to keep the table. Maybe you don't. We're going to keep the table for a moment. Now, we don't want any more of these cells, so let's just get out of that by clicking on the piece of paper someplace else, alright? Let's see. Another fun thing you might want to do, since we're asking the world how they are, maybe we want to include some clip art. So you would click on that. Yeah, look, sun came up. Let's include a picture of the sun. That looks good, doesn't it? Alright. Now, this is what we're going to do. Come over to this little gobbledygook over here. It'll look different if you're in OpenOffice, but it's basically in this corner. You're going to click on that, and you're going to click Save As. Alright, so click Save As, and we've got Hello World. Yeah, that works. Do you want to save it in your desktop? Do you want to save it on a flash drive? We're going to save it on our desktop for now. We're going to call it Hello World, and you can see this little box over here, and we're going to hit Save. And it is saving. And you can see now this document says Hello World. There you have it. You have saved your first document. We'll show you what to do with it next in the next video. Thank you.